Hello students, today we are going to see the projection of points in engineering graphics. We already know four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. In max we have a horizontal axis and a vertical axis, x-axis and y-axis we will have. Here in engineering graphics we have a horizontal plane. Instead of a line we have a plane, horizontal plane. Instead of the vertical axis or y-axis we will have the vertical plane. Okay, so with respect to horizontal axis or horizontal plane, any object can be denoted above or below. An object may be above or below the horizontal plane, right? With respect to y-axis or vertical plane, we will denote in front or behind, or behind VP, vertical plane. So now we have four different situations. If a point is in first quadrant, mean how we will denote it is a point A. So we name it as point A, which is above HP and in front of VP. This is how we will denote a point which is in the first quadrant. If another point B, which is located in second quadrant, means how we will denote same. The point B is above HP and behind VP, right? This is how we will denote a point in the second quadrant. Now another point is there which is in the third quadrant, C point. This is the C point. Okay, so how we will denote this with respect to horizontal plane? This point is below HP and behind VP. This is how we will denote. Similarly, if a point is in the fourth quadrant, means how we will denote, which is below HP and in front of VP. This is how we will denote any object which is in the any of these quadrants, right? So now we will see one by one. So this is the first quadrant. Okay, so if our object is in the first quadrant, how we will denote above HP and in front of VP. So here is a point A, so which is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So this is the position of point A. Now we will get the front view and top view. So this is the front view. A human is looking at this point A, and the image of this point A will be in the vertical plane. So we will have the front view in vertical plane in first quadrant. This is the first quadrant, right? So, and the top view will be seen in the horizontal plane. Okay, so now we are tilting the horizontal plane. We can't draw a difficult object or difficult drawing like this in a 2D sheet. In order to draw it in a 2D sheet, we are tilting the HP so that we will have a single plane we can easily draw. Okay, so first I have drawn the front view, which is 20 mm above the XY line, that is the intersection line between the VP and HP. And now I am drawing the top view. Top view is 30 mm below the XY line. Since I am tilting this HP, I will get a single plane diagram like this. So this is the projection of point in the first quadrant. So now we have a second quadrant. We have a point in a second quadrant. This is the point B, which is 20 mm, 25 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. Here above HP and behind VP. Now the top view. First I am getting the top view, and then I am getting the front view. So as usual I am going to tilt the HP so that I'll get the drawing in a single plane, which is easy for me to draw it in the A3 or A2 sheet. Okay, so here how I'm going to tilt is I'm going to tilt in the clockwise direction. In previous problem also I have tilted the HP in clockwise direction. In previous problem I have tilted the HP like this. Here I have tilted in clockwise direction. This won't change. We have to tilt the planes in clockwise direction. Okay, so now after I'm tilting the HP, first the front view I'm getting in VP and the top view is also in VP. So this is for second quadrant. Now we have a point in the third quadrant. So how we will denote a point in the third quadrant? Below HP and behind VP. This is how we denote a point. This is the point C, which is 10 mm below HP and 20 mm behind VP. Now the projection. Top view is we are getting in the HP and the front view is we are getting in the VP. As usual, we are tilting the HP in clockwise direction so that our front view is below the XY line. Okay, so which is 10 mm below the XY line, and the top view is 20 mm above the XY line. This is the projection of point in the third quadrant. Now a point D is in the fourth quadrant. We have HP and VP. We have a point which is 20 mm below and 40 mm in front. This is the position of point D. Now the top view is we are getting like this and the front view is given here. So we have drawn the top view and front view. Now I am tilting the horizontal plane in clockwise direction. Now I am drawing the front view D dash, which is 20 mm below the XY line, and the top view is also below the XY line, which is 40 mm. This is how we have to draw the projection of points in four quadrants. Okay, we should not forget the tilting. Okay, we have to tilt the horizontal plane in clockwise direction. This is what we have to remember. So what is the similarity between first and third quadrant? What is the similarity between second and fourth quadrant? In first and third quadrant we have two planes. In first quadrant the front view will be above HP, above XY line, and the top view will be below XY line, right? Vice versa for third. And here what is the similarity between second and fourth quadrant? In second quadrant the front view and top view will be above XY line, whereas in fourth quadrant the top view and front view will be below XY line. This is the similarity between the first and third, second and fourth. This we should not forget. So with this I am stopping this projection of points. We will see in the next lecture. Thank you.